Okay, so good morning. Yeah, it's morning. It's 11. It's the morning. I hope you guys mnanisikia. If you can hear me, just type yes on the comment section. Um, we have that in Enoch Songa morning. Good morning. How is everyone? I hope you can hear me. It's a morning. It's early morning. So we are going to direct you to start doing the analysis. And I can see. Can I see if you guys can hear me? Loud and clear. Okay, Mashari is saying they can hear me loud and clear. So share the live, share the live. We have already started the live. Let's get to more than 20 people. So those watching me on my TikTok, I'm live on my YouTube channel. Share your chats. Evan Perot, I can share the chats. I can only share the chats on my YouTube channel because TikTok nowadays inaban watu kuoneshana chats. Presence, a press amesema yes. Okay. So we have more than enough people to start. Bonteva morning, we can hear you. Okay, great. I can say shout out to William Kuria. It's a new guest. Nimeona Duncan Kamau Wasana. Hello, how many pips can you advise me to risk per trades? Let's say market is at your point of interest. Okay. It depends. It really depends with the trade, with the currency also you're trading. Damontetrop, hi, how are you? Okay, so we can start the live analysis. So let me check on my Telegram that I'm already started the live, so we can start the. Okay. Okay. Can we analyze futures markets? Let's say GBP JPY. Okay, one thing you have to know, GBP JPY has a high peak value. Kenneth Omondi, hi, how are you? Okay, so before we continue, yesterday, which pair? Yesterday I gave only one pair only. It was Euro AUD. How many people took Euro AUD? Because I did the analysis early in the morning. I showed you yesterday on the live analysis, and I gave the A setup to Euro AUD. Remember when I'm done, I normally do the A setups, and I gave the Euro AUD. And guys, don't forget to hit that like button. I can only see 5 people, and it's Jemo. I'll give all those comments at the end of the live. That's when I'll be able to answer the all those how many pips to read, how many pips. So stay tuned during the end of the live. That's when I can be able to advise on that. Wanjiru, a very good morning. Charles, what's your take on the dollar? I'll answer all those questions by the end of the analysis. And a question I want to ask you is we have more than 20 people. How many people took yesterday's entry? Because I did it here. And I remember, I don't know who asked me. Alex was here. I can remember Alex. Eric Hill Getuma is saying, good morning, bro. Good morning, everyone. I'm asking how many people took it today, yesterday's entries. Lorna Gachukia. Lorna Gachukia is saying, yes, I did. So I still see one person took the entry. Who else? I need to see confirmation so as I can see that people are following up, they are benefiting from the live. Because I remember yesterday we did only so many pairs, but we didn't have a lot of entries. We had only Euro AUD, which was a slow Monday. We didn't have a lot of pair moving. I can see Nanga Evans Masharia saying, yeah, they took the entry. Tina, yes, I did take it. Thank you. Yes, you see people took the entries. Who else took the entries yesterday? And of course, how much you made money, the amount of money you made is personal. I can't be able to tell you. You tell me how much you made, but I want to see it was a very good nice trade, still running till today. And I want someone to answer me. Crimfono Mugum, I want someone to answer me. Which key trade did we use to have our entry yesterday on Euro? It is Euro AUD. So I'm going to give away 1,000 bob. It's a Kenyan shilling, 1,000 bob. So those people on my TikTok, I can only give the 1,000 to those people on my YouTube. So the giveaway is for someone to answer me the criteria we used to take Euro AUD. And that one is for anybody who comment me. There's an answer I'm looking for. And is it Abdullahi? Abdullahi, don't answer that question because I know you know the answer. So Abdullahi, I know you're live here, but don't answer. We did that analysis in the morning. So you're out of you're out of the giveaway because I know you know the answer. But the rest of the people, I want you to give me the comment or the comment section. Griffin Mugo, hi, how are you? I'm live on my YouTube. Change of character and break of structure. No, 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 no. And I'm not answering those on my TikTok. Smart money concept. No, it is not money concept. Just one more minute. I see anybody who answer it, and then we can go live to analyze the charts. One more. Let me see the comment. Head and shoulder. Yes, there was a head and shoulder, but someone answered the answer. The answer is liquidity grab. Charles Kariuki. Charles Kariuki, DM me on my Instagram or my TikTok. I'll give you Charles Kariuki answer the answer. Had the answer. The answer is liquidity grab. Yeah. Who is Charles Kariuki? I don't know Charles, but Charles text me on my TikTok or my Instagram. We have 1,000 bob. And then Abdurasai say, good morning, sir. Good morning. If it is not fair value gap and not reversal, I wanted the answer as a fair value gap. So the person who had the answer is Charles Kariuki. He got the answer. So we go live now to analyzing the market directly on TikTok. Yeah, let me share my screen and then we can now analyze the charts. So I'll also go through the comment by the end of the live. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and also hit that notification bell. So as anytime I'm live on YouTube, you can get notified that I'm live on my YouTube. I hope you guys can hear me clearly. I don't know why you can hear me clearly. My voice is clear. Okay. Hata nani hajaansa like Pauline. Pauline, you didn't answer this. Not Pauline also. Who was Esther and the morning student. We did the analysis using the liquidity club and I gave you their names. Yeah, I will. Okay. So let's go directly to the analysis. Okay. So this is I hope you can see the screen. This is Euro CHF. We have been skipping Euro CHF since the start of last week because Euro CHF has been consolidated on daily time frame. You can clearly see that's why I have been not having any buyers on Euro CHF. Still today, I leave Euro CHF until I have a clear buyers on it because I don't have an overall direction of it. Having a buyers is knowing where the market is heading to. So on daily time frame on Euro CHF, I don't have a clear view of where the market is heading to. Okay, make sure you like this video and share it to your friends. They can watch. We got to Eurocard. This is Eurocard. And then on Eurocard, why did you have these sales entries here? Oh, I know. We had the break of structure, but I know we were waiting for the orders. I did this entry analysis with Abdullah in the morning, but we were looking for the market to come back to this order block on data frame due to the break of structure, and then order block is there. But the market retraced the structure break and retest. So I'm looking forward for more sales on Eurocard. It's already active. You can see the setups of the Eurocard, and there's another block left on one hour, more sales on Eurocard. And the reason why this, whenever you have this such of a market structure, let me remove this tool here. Can you see this? The market is moving, is on a bearish. We have a double top, and then we have this green candle, bided by a red candle, indicating another block being left here, indicate for more sales on this pair. So for these pairs, I'm looking for more sales on Eurocard, and the reason why, and the reasons why I'm looking for more sales is because of this. Clearly, you can see there's a break of structure on 4 hours. You can clearly see my screen. This was a major area which was broken and then retested. And looking forward for more sales, we are going to for more sales on Eurocard. That's the view on Eurocard. Okay, let's continue. The next pair, guys, is my voice clear? Let me see. Am I very clear? Am I very clear? Let's see on the comment section. Sell Eurocard. Yes, Morvani Mudama. Yes, sells on Eurocard. And one thing you have to know, if you are late for the entries, make sure that you reduce your losses because your stop loss is going to be way above the green candle. So your stop loss should be above the green candle of the 4 hours. You are clear. Can I the money saying that I'm very clear? Okay, let's continue to GBP card. Okay, so on GBP card, I'm looking for more sales because on the daily time frame, we waited for this break of structure here, which is a break of structure, indicating for more sales. And then the market broke the trend line, which is on daily time frame. You can clearly see this. Let me show you. So those watching me, can you see your chat screen? I'm live on my YouTube channel. You can only see this on my YouTube channel. So this on daily time frame, you can clearly see the market is very bearish. By the bearish structure, I mean we have the breakout structure of the trend line indicating for more sellers, and then this is a flag being created on daily time frame, and then I'll be targeting this area. TP, I'll be targeting this area. TP1 on daily time frame. I'm targeting sales, more sales all the way to this area. So on GBP card, I'm looking forward for more sales on GBP card. And by more sales, I'm looking for more sales towards this area, all the way this area. Let's calculate the previous day high. The stop loss should be here. And the previous day high, come back to 4 hours. Yes. So I'm looking forward for setups of like this short position, a short entry, and a stop loss way above here. The previous day high, this is the previous day high. So I'm looking for stop loss there. And then I target here. So you can clearly learn how I'm able to set my stop losses and how I'm able to set my take profit and target the zone that I've shown you on daily time frame. That's the setups on GBP card. As more sales on GBP card. This is more sales on GBP card. Okay. The next one is US oil. US oil bought, we were looking forward for, you can remember the sales we had all the way here, but tapping this area, you are supposed to start, you are supposed to take your take profit. I know someone texted me yesterday about oil. Okay, so currently on oil, let me remove all the drawings. So yesterday we didn't have any view on oil, but what I'm seeing on oil is the market is unable to break the newer low, this low. The market is unable to break this low, showing us a rejection on it. Okay, we have this resist near zone here, which is being tapped here. So on oil, because currently we were bearish on oil, and you see it was unable to break the low which was there. So I'll wait for this market either to break this area to have a clear view on it. So as a break and retest and continue buying, or wait for this market to break at the lower side of this area and then retest, we continue selling. So until I have those clear buyers, I can't be able to trade this oil at these particular prices here because I don't have a clear view on where the overall price is headed to. Euro JPY, the JPY pairs, we normally do them as a last one, conclusion on the JPY basket. Let's go to Euro USD. Euro USD, I said yesterday, it's ranging and no clear indication for more entries here. I've been looking forward for more sales on Euro USD here. So is there any trend line here? The market is falling up. Let's see. Break. Okay. I will still remain my buyers on, sorry. My buyers on Euro USD will still remain as what we did yesterday. This is the zone I'm still observing on Euro USD. This one to be tapped. So my entry should be there. My entry should be here. Okay. And now, I want to see on the comment section, we have more than 35 people live. How can we use, but how can we have an entry on Euro USD once the market gets here? How are we supposed to have an entry? How are we going to prepare ourselves to have an entry on Euro USD? Let me see on the comment section. News on card even. Oh, sorry, I'm going to check on Forex Factory about the news that is going to happen. How are we going to support to prepare ourselves to have an entry on Euro USD? So that one someone will answer me during the end of the session when we are doing the analysis. Let's go to the next pair. Euro AUD. You normally see that once we do the analysis, maybe on a Monday, we just flow with the flow analysis during the rest of the week, like what we did on yesterday on Euro USD, Euro AUD, Euro USD, and all those pairs. We don't normally change our buyers coming on Tuesday or Wednesday. We just flow with what we did the analysis. So yesterday, this is the pair that we had. It's still running. But one thing, another thing I want to talk about. Set the alarm alert. Okay, I will set the alert. Okay. Another thing is I want someone on the comment section to let me know when it's come to trading, like the way someone who talked about we took the entries on Euro AUD using the liquidity club. Okay, liquidity normally gives you an high winning, like a high long-term entry, meaning I don't expect you to use the same analysis to take Euro AUD and hold it for 1 hour only. This pair will still run all the way down, and that's what I was explaining in the morning lessons. Like this pair will still run all the way down because there's no day and an order block. An order block is a continuation. So an order block will give you an entry halfway the market, like halfway the price. Like by halfway the price, I mean that the price is moving and it has already made a movement, meaning it will give you an order block where the market come back again and then test that order block and continue. But for order block, once not but for liquidity, once the market grab liquidity, like for this, we had the liquidity on weekly time frame on Euro AUD. The market was coming to retest the weekly time frame, which was the previous week high, and also on the previous day high, which was on Friday. So the market retesting on such zones, it's giving us high probability that the market won't come back again to this area near time zone. So meaning the market is going to drop, and you can see the way on daily time frame it has already prepared itself. It has already been preparing itself, indicating for more drops. So your target should be way down here on daily time frame. There's demands here. So this is the TP, like your TP3. You should be exiting this swing trade. So the point of this message is, I don't expect you to take your trade here. Having a sharp entry, you can see our entries where it was, and then you hold an entry for only 1 hour, and you exit that position, meaning you are just waiting, like you are just wasting your analysis, because this is an entry which is supposed to give you very good amount of pips. I personally, I don't know if I can show you. Where's my phone? Or is the phone that I'm live TikTok with? So I could have shown you the trades are still running. I have not exited. So let's go to NZD card. On NZD card, I'm still looking forward for the market to come back on the daily time frames. Okay, there's something I've observed. Is there a break and structure, break and retest? No. Come back to daily. No. For NZD card, I've still waited for it to come back all the way to the order block, which is this zone. This is not indicating for more, giving me a clear more sales setups here. These sales, they are not valid. They are more risky than taking your sales here. This pair has been bearish, meaning you can clearly see it's bearish. So for having my sales orders at this particular level is giving me more high confidence for me to take my entries here, other than taking my sales here. Card JPY, I'll do the JPY, GBP AUD. Okay, GBP AUD is more sales. The reason why we are looking for more sales also broke this structure. Remember, we did this analysis yesterday, and I'm looking for more sales. So how can we have an entry on GBP AUD unless this market create a flag? Is there a flag? Let's remove these drawings because this is just a distraction. Oh, okay, this is more flag. This is more of a flag, and the flag I can position it here. This big flag. Okay. So being this a flag, wait for this market to come back again to these zones to reduce your risk and continue selling GBP AUD. Continue selling GBP AUD. So have your short position this way, short position, have your shorts way above there, and have your stop losses here, and continue more sellings. Let's see the target zone. Oh, no, 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 no. Leave it alone. We are almost approaching a major zone on 4 hours, on 1 hour. So we have approached a major zone. So there's not any high peep target. Like, you're supposed to target this area. Nobody will ever guarantee that the market will definitely break this zone. So meaning the moment you see a certain setup like this one. So I hope you're learning something. Let's say you did your analysis and you saw more sales, but now we are targeting this area. Yes, I'm seeing for more sales, but now we have this area. There's no anyone who can guarantee that this zone will be broken, and nobody has that 100% that this zone is going to be broken. So the only way we can now target this entry is a break of structure at this particular zone, and then a retest and continue selling zone GBP AUD. Okay, so the next one is GBP CHF. We were looking for more sales yesterday, and the reason why, okay, so this is a flag, GBP and you can come also for 4 hours. This is a flag. So this one I was looking forward to have and more sales on it, but I wanted to take this entry using the liquidity grab on the previous day high. So we can remove these drawings. Let me show you an analysis of how we can position yourself with the liquidity grab on the previous day high. Having my entries here, my stop loss is supposed to be here. Even if I have my entry here, my stop loss is still supposed to be here. So this is a big stop loss for me to have. So the only way I can position myself is analyzing this market using the liquidity by coming back on the daily time frame. Like for this pair is bearish, so I'm going to mark the sell side, which is the sell side. Buy side BSL. BSL is the buy stop liquidity, which is originated by the stop losses of the sales orders. So I'm going to mark the previous day high. Marking the previous day high, this is the previous day high using a horizontal line. Patiently wait for this market to come back to the previous day high because not far on the previous day high, and my entry will be confirmed. We can clearly see now the previous day high will be on the top of the flag, top of the flag. So my entry will be the market to come back again to this area because it has high probability. Even if you take your entry here, the stop loss is still supposed to be here. Even if you take your entry here, your stop loss is supposed to. So your stop loss is supposed to be where it's supposed to be. Meaning, if I have my entry here and my risk is still here, so why don't I wait for this market to come activate this area, which is the liquidity area? So a little bit, so I'm going to experience a little bit of grab liquidity. Grab liquidity is when this market closes this line but fails to hold above it, and then we continue selling. So one thing key factor I'll be looking is market come back to this area, fails to close. Yes, it breaks. By breaking is like breaking a little bit with few pips, but failing to close above it by the body size of the candlestick. And then I have my entries when the moment the candlestick closes, and then I can continue selling this entry. So for this one is I'm going to wait for such a scenario setup. I hope the message is delivered. Um, William Courier, kindly elect us what is a flag. I hope the message is delivered. So I'll be looking for a short position at this particular level. But by saying a short position here, you see there are so many factors I'm going to consider. But by looking the close of the area of entry of the club liquidity, so as I can continue confirming for me to have these entries. And that's I'm going to that's the analysis on GBP. So be patiently waiting for this entry there. That is has a zero risk. Like I mean, it has a medium risk. So this is zero GBP. And Euro GBP yesterday we were looking for more buys. It'll buy kidogo, few pips, and then trace, but still on our zone. And the reason why I'm looking for Euro GBP buys, you have a head, shoulder, and shoulder, and then you have a big stretch of the neckline, and then you can clearly see also the market has already broken, which is there was a head, shoulder, and looking for more buys. So I'm looking forward for more buys on Euro GBP and a stop loss here. My buyers have said, let's see on daily time frame how daily closed. Okay, daily close very well. Okay. So on today's day, entries. Okay. I'm looking for more buys on Euro GBP with such setups, with such scenario on, let's see, such scenario. So my buyers on Euro GBP is still the same on what we did yesterday. Yeah. You can also wait patiently for the liquidity gap on the previous day low, and then we have entry, or you take your entries. We continue buys on Euro GBP. AUD card. Okay, so on AUD card, first of all, there's a break of a trend line. For this one, I'll wait to give in because last week we had this entry here. Is there formation? Okay, I have seen. So on these entries on EuroCAD, let's wait for this market at this particular level for more sales on these entries here. This is a sell zone for this entry. So patiently wait for this market because it will be forming a head and shoulder this area. And then we continue selling Euro AUD card. Short position at this particular level. And a stop loss way above here. Yeah, a stop loss above there, and then the target will be the near zone, which is the near demand here. So this is the AUD card, the view on AUD card. Let me see on the comment section. Kindly enlighten us on flag, rejection, and M pattern, Ngama, even Masharia. Okay, NZDCHF. Okay, so NZDCHF last time we had this entry using the flag, which is a bearish flag. The market is back again. Let's see on daily time frame. How's daily closing? Okay, so the daily time frame is still respecting which is the reversal area. This is a key area because we are looking for to have a long-term swing trade on NZDCHF. By a long-term trade, because you can clearly see on day we have a head, shoulder, and shoulder, and this one can push the market way high. So our entries on this area will be once the daily of today closes above the previous day high. So the previous day high was this red candle. So it will be giving us more confirmation to have these entries on the next day, which will be tomorrow on Wednesday or Thursday. So once the market close above this area, it is a clear indication. Just a moment, I put my charger. Okay, it's a clear indication that the buys have been confirmed. But until this market hasn't closed this area, I won't take this entry. So wait keenly until this market close above this area, which is also on daily time frame, the previous day high, indicating for more buys, and we'll be looking for more buys on NZDCHF. NZDUSD. Okay, so NZDUSD, this is on daily time frame. Did the market close below? Okay, the market is doing a reversal from a major area, which is a near demand on the daily time frame. This is the area zone. Okay, indicating. So the zone has not been broken. Coming back to 4 hours, this is a flag indicating for more buys. The market has already been broken in it. This is NZUSD. This is a flag indicating for more buys. Let's come out. This is a flag definitely. Okay, these are more buys on and not buys on NZUSD because this is a flag indicating. So you can target either flag on the lower side of the. You know how we trade the flag. I normally keep on saying about flag, flag, flag each and every day. So you're not looking for short. You are looking for long position, and then we'll have a stop loss there, which is a very risky, and then target this zone here on NZUSD. XAUSD, this is gold. Now we are on gold. Yesterday I said that don't try even to have your entries here because gold is showing me it's coming back to this zone. I've patiently waited this zone. This is a zone I'm waiting on gold. So these buys are going to come back all the way here. So this is a zone I'm looking for to look for more long-term sales. You guys remember when I started doing analysis on gold last Friday, and I told you guys gold is coming back all the way to this area. So we are waiting for gold to come back again to 2670, this zone. And also on delta time, that's why we have the long-term sales, which is also the head and the shoulder. So that's why we are looking forward to have our entries for sales. That's gold. Okay. Let me see on the comment section. Any question also? What about GBP I'll also do the GBP Okay. So let's go to USD and I said USD has a very good PIP value. By PIP value, I mean when it's come to by PIP value, I mean the PIP value. This is a flag. Let me remove the drawings. Let's see the daily. This is a flag on USD This is a flag. And if you are taking this entry, make sure you use the stop loss because I had two views by the time I was going live. I was coming live. I had also done this analysis on USD but it's getting indicating for me for more sales short position, more sales on USD And USD is very volatile, so you don't try to put your bigger lots. Yes, it's an exotic pair, but it has a very high peak value. Stop loss above and target these zones. Target these zones here. Yeah, most of on USD We are now on GBP USD. Okay, so this is GBP USD. This is a flag also on GBP USD. Remove drawings. This is a flag. This is a bullish flag indicating for more buys on GU. Meaning pia hizo kina gold zitabai leo, indicating for more buys on GU. But one thing you have to know that these buys they are not long term. So if you are buying these, they are not long term because they have these markets they have been selling. It's just a little bit of correction they're doing. So I'm looking forward for more buys on GU, then the stop loss below hapo and the target here. Yeah. More buys on GU. Don't try to sell here. This is not a sell setup. These are more continuation. So if you know the market structure, you can clearly be able to understand the reversal structures and the continuation structures. USDCHF, I hope it's dropping. We have been waiting for USDCHF for entries here on this order block. And yeah, this is the area we're looking. Coming back to 1 hour, these are flag sells on USD, not USD, sells on USDCHF, indicating for more sales. These are continuation of a bearish structure, short position. Na hizi zote zikipush zitaenda tu the same way zote. short position, and the stop loss way above hapo, and now target hapa chini kwa hii mkia hapa, and this, yeah, target your area of entry point there. Okay, using a flag, you can use my triangle layers to lay your orders, but my triangle is placing little bit of entries. And then let's go to BTC USD. Bitcoin, have not been analyzing it because Bitcoin is moving using a sentimentals, not technicals. AUDSD, this is also a flag also. This is where they are all having the same structures, indicating for me more buys on it. But I would avoid taking AUDSD because the kind of way it's looking, but this one indicates for me more buys. But the structure is looking because, yeah, I would avoid taking it. Yes, it's indicating more buys, but you can clearly see you can clearly see we have a break of structure and retest. So I would avoid to take it. I would avoid to take my entries here because we have a break and retest. So I'd avoid to take these entries here because we have a flag continuation for buys and also a break of retest showing more sales. So at this area, I would avoid to take these entries at such a scenario. JPY basket. Okay, so JPY basket, JPY didn't get to this point yet right here. Let's also do the analysis on JPY basket. Honestly, since last week of Friday, not Friday, since now this yesterday and the other day, I've not been having a clear view on how the JPY move. They want to go. JPP JPY is my favorite pair. GPP card is my favorite pair. But when it comes to JPY basket, I don't have a clear view on where the market is heading to. So one thing I ought to do is pause and have a clear direction of the pairs because doesn't mean that don't having a clear view, you don't know what you're like you're not getting the market where the market is heading to. So having a clear view will save you a lot because honestly, I have no clear view if JPY is bullish or it is bearish. Yes, I can see the clear structure that it broke the structure, indicating for more sales, and it broke the trend line. Yes, on overall, I'm more sales. I'm bearish on GBP JPY all the way to these zones. But now on JPY basket, I don't have any stepping stone for me to indicate for me that I have an entry where I can have my structures to have an entry. So what I'm going to do is give it a 1 2 days until I have a clear view on JPY basket where it's heading to, so I can have a clear direction on the JPYs like GBP JPY and USD JPYs. Yes. AUDCHF because I know GBP JPY is very, 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 very volatile. And messing with GBP JPY, you can end up, we were looking forward for this season to have ourselves. You see, the market didn't get even to our entry point where we are looking for more sales. And messing up with this one can even blow your account. So give it more time, give it more time, give it more time until you have a clear entries and out a clear direction of the market where it's heading to. AUDCHF. This is AUDCHF. Tumejaribu kusell hii market inashuka inarudi, but now let's remove these entries here. Let's come back to daily time frame. Remove drawings. Okay. Can we please patiently wait? Is there a head and shoulder here? The market is even holding below. No way. Okay. The same case with here. You can clearly see this market is holding below even the head and shoulder because the head and shoulder is supposed to be this area. The market is holding below, indicating for more sales. But now, why are we having this retracement? So at this particular scenario, whenever you have such scenario and don't have a clear view of the market where it's heading to, you just leave the market until you have a clear picture of where the market is heading to. USD card. Okay, on USD card we have this order block and we have a flag. Okay, I got into my office and I was like, okay, USD card is creating a very good flag, a bearish flag, indicating for more sales on 1 hour. But now on 4 hours, we have this order block which we are waiting for this market. So we have this view. Either this market to hold below because the flag is here. We have a flag, a bearish flag indicating for more sales. And we also have an order block indicating for more reversal. What are we going to do in such scenario? For such scenario is being patient and waiting which setup is going to activate. Either the order block to be respected or the flag to be activated. For the flag, I can tell you wait for this market to break the lower part of the flag because the flag is here. So whenever the market breaks the lower part of the flag, it can this candlestick to hold below. It is indicating for Moses. And by indicating for Moses is because of the order block. By the time when the candlestick is closing below this area, by the time it is holding below the order block, indicating for Moses. of which the flag will be materializing. But now we have a flag which is not avoiding us for us to have an entry. With such scenario, you can be biased with one side like an order block and a flag. Now I'll just wait and patiently stay outside the market and see which one is going to be activated. Is it at the order block or the flag? The Dogecoin. The Dogecoin has been also on my watch list. I've been watching Dogecoin for the past, be monitoring it because this one is be I'm looking for Dogecoin and WorldCoin. This will be one of the biggest projects we're going to have in next year, 2025. Dogecoin and WorldCoin, they will be one of our biggest investment here. NAS 100, and then we end up with NAS 100, and then we end up with US30. Clearly not, I know on daily time frame, this candlestick is not a clear indication for more buys because this one for us, more of a flag. This is not an enough confirmation for me to have entries on buys until this market come back to this order block. Because currently this market is holding below this order block on 1 hour, 4 hours. The only order block remaining is this area. So I'm patiently waiting for this market to come back again to this area. This is why we have the buyers. So don't try to buy this market here. I know Nasdaq on daily yesterday closing like in an indication of more buys, but this is not a clear indication for you to have buys. Let's go to US30. US30, we are still waiting for this. I think there's an order block. Was it on 30 minutes? Yeah. We had another block way back here. Yeah, these areas. On 1 hour, I know you can also you can clearly see the order block on 1 hour. Where's the order block on 1 hour? Let me show you. But on 4 hours, this is the zone we are looking forward to have our entries on for let me show you reset the chart view on US30. This is the area we are looking for more buys. So don't try to buy your entry buys US30 here. This is indication for more sales on US30. Okay, so it's my time now to answer the questions. Euro JPY is a sell. I've said the JPY pairs, I don't have a clear direction of the JPY basket. That's why I'm not giving out the pairs on the JPY pairs. Euro JPYs, let me see. If there are clear structures, these are sell because of this order block. Yes, I'm okay with sales on GJs, but now the entry point. Don't try to have your entries here because you can experience a retracement which is going to mess you up. So just stay away. Focus on the pairs we were looking forward for. So it's my time to answer those questions. Okay. Okay, wait for change of characters. Those people who are asking me questions, let's see on the question. Ask me those questions because I'm answering on the comment section, and also I will be looking forward for the A setups. For the A setups, for those people who have been following my analysis, once we are done with the trades, I normally ask for the A setups. Are my charts clear? Why is my laptop still not clear? Is my internet okay? Guys, can you see my laptop clearly? What's happening? I'm already for sales on EuroGP. Okay, if you're already taking the sales on EuroGP, you're okay. But for someone to take an entry currently, don't try to mess up with your entries. This is a wrong entry because you are late for the entries. For those people who took the entries, they are okay. Okay. On the comment section, I can see any other more comments. For the A setups, for those GUs, are you taking about GBPSD? Yes, 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 yes. My entries on GBPSD is GBPSD. And then GBPSD, Euro USD, and the A setup. For those people who are on Euro AUD yesterday, this pair, yeah. Yeah, continue holding. You can start securing your profit. And then also GBP AUD, GBP card, no, GBP card. Yes, I gave this more sales on GBP card. And also which other entry we have this live at normal. Don't delete this, and if you didn't get your stop loss, you have to press your stop loss. You can always come back to the live and watch this live on my YouTube channel. And then we have GBP USD. What's GBP USD? The market is breaking the flag on the lower side. Let's see the closer of 1 hour to give us more confirmation on GBP USD. But for me, I'm buyers on GBP USD. Let's wait for the close of 1 hour. And then GPP card, yes. About gold, your view since there's an order block on 4 hours. Can you look for out for sales execution? Kevin Tech. So on gold, this is the view I have given on gold. I'm waiting for gold to come back all the way to this area of zone of this. You can see there is order block on first. There's order block I'm looking for is on 1 hour. So I'm looking for these entries. So this is the only setup I have on gold. USDCHF. So this Finn is asking about USDCHF. This is USDCHF, USDCHF. I'm looking for, there's another block on for USDCHF on my watch list. Just a little bit. Yes, USDCHF. Okay, so USDCHF, I gave sales. I'm looking for more sales, but now the sales should be not long term. They should be all the way to this area of order block, this order block here. So on USDCHF is an A setup for us and looking for more sales all the way to this order block area. Yeah, any A setup we have. So A setup is USDCHF, Euro AUD ya jana, the Euro AUD ya jana. How Choquid. You guys have so many. You have the username Uchoquid. I hope I pronounced it okay. Euro AUD. We are on Euro AUD. Continue holding Euro AUD. Guys, can you see my screen? I don't know why I am not seeing the screen well on my phone. I'm using two phones to view myself. It seems my internet is not okay. Okay. Joseph, they can. Oh, Joseph. Joseph is live. Euro GBP. Euro GBP. Euro GBP. Euro GBP. Okay. On Euro GPP, the reason I'm looking for more buys is because of this breakup structure. I'm very bullish on this Euro GPP. I'm bullish on Euro GPP. Let's see. Yes. So have your entries in such a way this by the time market is coming back to this. Use the criteria the one we used to have our entries on Euro AUD yesterday. On to have your entries on Euro AUD. Let me show you. Come back to daily. Coming back to daily, mark the previous day high. Previous day low, not high. So as you can have your entries on Euro AUD. So this is the criteria of liquidity, come to previous day low. So wait for this market to come back again to this area, which is on 4 hours. The market to come back again to this area and then have your entries. This area and have your entries. We continue on Euro. So Euro AUD is an A setup for us today. So we are going to have our entries once the market come back again to the previous day low, grab liquidity and is unable to close below. So meaning the confirmation will be when the market is unable to close below this horizontal line that I've already marked there and have our long position there. So now we are polishing on the analysis. Know that the moment we do our analysis, we do go back and have the A set, and our stop loss should be below these weeks. Yeah, we normally go back and do the A setups. Yeah. So this is on Euro AUD. Which other pair? Duncan Kamau is AUDCHF valid. AUDCHF. Did I do AUDCHF? Let me remember. Okay. On AUDCHF, I said this. Let me see on honor. I can't remember having an entry on AUDCHF. How did I analyze this pair? No, on AUDCHF, I've said that I don't have a clear view. I'm bearish on AUDCHF, very bearish on it. But now the problem is it has been doing a lot of ranging. You can clearly see in a move kidogo to done in a move to. So I don't have a clear view on it. So as not a clear view, I'm bearish on it. But the problem I have is this range. This range is the only problem I have. You can hold your position for a whole day, but the market is not moving. Yeah. The other good. Can we can see your screen, William Courier. Oh, okay. But I don't know what's happening with my internet. Okay. Okay. The next question. Let me see the next question. There are people who are asking me questions by the time I was starting this live. I can see a question. Okay. Someone is saying the screen is clear. Thank you. So I've said USDCHF. Let me see on the comment section. Is AUDCHF valid? Oh, that one was the last comment. Okay. Since I can't see any more comments, let's hit that like button on the YouTube. So it shows the support that you supported me on my live. And then yeah, those are the analysis for today. So I've said on Jeepwise, I'm away on Jeepwise because they are my favorite pair, but today I don't have any entries. But the rest of the pairs, you can watch them. Any other question? Am I okay? I don't know why I'm not seeing this screen clearly. Let me go back again. Okay. Hello. You only use daily time frame and 4 hours to find trades because I don't. I use daily. Week. I start weekly. Come daily. 4 hours and 1 hour. I can go to raw time frame because I'm not a scalper, and I cannot enter my trade and hold it for 5 minutes. So if I find myself, I'm a day trader. So I have to analyze market using the daily buyers. So by the end of the day, I'm going to explain the flag pattern kindly. Okay, I will explain about it. William Courier. More questions? As I wait for more questions, let me explain a flag. So a flag is the same way as the name it names it. So a flag is this way. So those watching me on my TikTok, I'm live on my YouTube channel. That's where you can only clearly see the analysis, and that's why I'm doing the analysis and the daily buyers. Okay, so a flag in a hivi. So we have a flag is a continuation pattern, either a bullish way or a bearish way. So we have an impulsive movement and then a little bit of ranging. This doesn't confirm for you mobiles. It indicates that the market is going to do a drop. That's what we call a flag. And the other one, a bullish one, a ranging, and then mobiles. This is what we call a flag. So a flag is this one. So your entries are supposed to be there on the flag and a stop loss way above the flag. So on the flag, this is how I manage my risk when it's come to me a flag. So in whether a case we have a bullish flag, I'm going to have place my entries on the lower side of the flag and have my stop losses lower to reduce my risk. And that's how I have entries on flag. Eurocard, Marvin Modama, Eurocard, 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 Eurocard. Okay, on Eurocard, I'm more sales. Yeah, another A setup is Eurocard, USDCHF, Eurocard, and another A setup is Eurocard. I'm bearish on Eurocard. Yeah, sales on Eurocard. Okay, more questions. Marvin Modama. Is this my classmate? Ama is someone else? But I know someone called Modama was my classmate. Okay, it seems that you guys have depleted the questions. So let me see which pair are you looking for to trade. Let me see on the comment section which pair you tracking. So as we can adapt the live, which pair are you looking for to trade today? hmm Which pair are you looking for to trade? Euro card already. Mashari is saying Euro card. Someone else, and don't say Euro card because I'm live because I'm showing the Euro card. Someone else because I've done a lot of pairs. William Chris in IQ, yes. USDC chef, so okay. You need to check USDC chef. You need to check it out. Oh yeah. Also the USDC chef. Okay, let me see the comment sections. Okay, where is USDCHF? I said it sells on USDCHF. It's still running, but there's someone who if you took USDCHF by the time you have saying it's still running, it's okay. More sells on USDCHF. This is an example of a flag. You take the entry on the top of a flag to reduce your risk. Someone saying GBP AUD card, AUD card, AUD card, AUD card. No, AUD card, you have to be patient. I'm looking for AUD card to come back all the way to this zone. So you have to be patient. How so that was not at today's entry. GPP AUD, GPP AUD. Moses, no. GPP AUD, no, cannot, you don't take GPP AUD because you can clearly see, yes, it's more sales. I'm looking for more sales, but you're approaching a zone here. You're approaching a zone here, which it can be a reversal. So don't try to risk more on GPP. This one, it's gonna high risk. Yeah. So which one? Comment your pair which you're looking for to trade, so as I can tell you the view. So GPP decision, don't take it like heavy because you can clearly see you're approaching a zone here. Or Kinoti, either use a scenario of waiting a breakout and retest, so as you can have your entries on GPP AUD. Okay. Which other pair? I'll be monitoring it. Okay. Thank you. I see we have very active traders. Which other pairs? We have more than 35 people watching. Let me see which other pair you guys are looking for to we are looking for to trade. Which other pair? Which other pair? Which other pair also? Now, watu wa dhahabu. I know a lot of people want to see gold. Let's see gold. But I know gold have been waiting it for that zone. So kama uko hapa hivi ung'ang'ane na buys zake tu all the way huko. But now wait for the break of structure here. If this market hold above half hivi, hiyo zone, we are looking for more buys all the way here. So this is on gold. Can we repeat on GBP JPY? GBP JPY don't have a bias on it because I don't have a clear direction of JPY basket. Yeah. So NZD. So for gold, wait for it. Gold is coming back all the way here. So for scalpers, I know people like trading gold is scalping way. So we are going all the way up here. Nanganga NZD USD. Na Nganga Evans Masharia is saying that he's going to check NZDUSD. NZDUSD. I know NZDUSD we are looking for more buys. Where's NZD? But Nanga, why NZDUSD has very high spread? NZDUSD has high spread, Kendri Nanga. But yeah, if it's your favorite pair, I'm okay. Sir, USD JPY. No, Gladys Akinyi and Abdallah said the GBP JPY, USD JPY. I'm not having a bias on it because yes, I'm bearish, but the overall JPY basket is not giving me a clear direction on it. This is a JPY basket. Do you have fundamentals? Why do we have this core spike here? We have this spike. Why? Forex Factory. We have news on JPYs. Wait, Apabi, this guy who was on Euro JPY, I know you are in deep profit. Who was this guy? I can't remember his name, but he said he has a Euro JPY. This is on Tuesday. We don't have news. That's why we normally advise people. The JPY you have to have your stop process. They normally have those impulsive movements. You can clearly see the market has already spiked. These are so many pips. There are so many pips, so many pips, so many pips. Over 180 pips within one candlestick. Let's see. You can clearly see the market has one spike, one big spike. Okay, but I'm bearish on the JPYs and Jeff bearish on it. But now doesn't mean that you're going to have your entries here. Oh, yes, the USD JPY has materialized. Okay, with the flag. Yeah. We were looking forward for more sales here. This is the 4 hours. It was not USD JPY. It was USD card. The one had order. It's not USD JPY. That is the USD card. It's USD card. USD card had flag and an order block. Yeah, this one. You see, so the order flag is need been until we have a clear view on which is materializing, either the flag or the order block. More comment, more questions. I'm answering them. So these are our pair which are running. The pair USD and the other one was which other one is running also. USD card. We are waiting to see either the order block being respected or the flag, and then we have which other pair which is running. AUDUSD didn't have a view. We have Euro CHF, Euro card. More sales is still running. Duncan, did you take Eurocard? Those on Eurocard, I know it's okay. Marvin Modama, Euro 8. Who took Eurocard? Who is on Eurocard currently? Who has taken Eurocard? And then GPP card, we are looking for more sales also. And also, which one are there? Euro GPP, no. USD GPP, no. Euro USD. We said Euro AUD, more sales on it. This was yesterday's pair. I'm on AUDCHF. 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 Do you have AUDCHF here? AUD card. AUDCHF. You are on sales. I hope you are on sales. If you are on AUDCHF, make sure that you are on sales. Yeah. Okay. That is it. I think we have exhausted. So I will see you on tomorrow's analysis. Unless anyone else has a question, make sure that you can share this live. You can subscribe. Come back and watch this live again. And yeah, stay blessed. Stay positive. Yeah. What about upcoming news on GBP? I didn't see news. Today's on Tuesday 19th. We have the only news we have is on monetary policy report hearing. Okay, it's at 1 p.m. This one is they don't have the data. This one is just like a statement being released. The only news we are going to have is CAD. We have news. So we have news on CAD, which is for that you have the CPI, we we have high impact news on CAD today. We don't have impact news on USD. We have new impact on CAD. So if you're on any CAD pair, make sure that you have you're aware of that. Okay, that is it. So that's the analysis. I hope you guys have enjoyed, and I hope you have learned something. I've been live for more than 54 minutes. Finn, thank you. Thank you. Tap that like button. We have 19 likes. Let's hit more than 30 likes. We have 30 people watching. Let's hit that like button. And also becoming more often live, maybe at night, so we can be engaging. On night live, I'll not be doing the Forex analysis, maybe engaging with one-on-one. And then also, yeah. So is Eurocard safe for sales on news? Marvin, I don't do fundamentals. So when it comes to fundamentals, I stay away. Eurocard. So Eurocard. I don't do the fundamentals. That's why I do keep advising people to stay away from fundamentals. Guys, hit that like button, hit that notification bell, so anytime I'm on live, you can get notified. Let me answer two more questions. What about the upcoming news on GPP 1 p.m.? Okay, they are indicated on red candles, not red candle, like red indicating high impact news, but those ones they don't have high impact news like the ones we are going to experience on CAD. So I'll be focusing on the CAD news, not on the GBP one, because that one is a statement which is going to be released. And also, guys, I'm sorry. I know my lighting is poor, but I will improve on the lighting. Yes, I'll buy more lighting on this. But it's more about sharing the screen on YouTube since I started the analysis last week. Okay, more questions, more questions. Nobody's hitting that like we are at 20. Hit that like button, guys. The like nile kopale, like the thumbnails here. Hit it, hit that like button. It is help to push this video more. Yeah, and I think we have exhausted our analysis, and I will see you on tomorrow's analysis. Yeah. So the guy mwenye alianza vizuri, text me on not text me on TikTok or Instagram for the giveaway. Yeah. Thank you so much, and bye bye. Thank you.